If you're looking for the perfect blend of mobility and comfort, Class B camper vans are tough to beat. They're easy to drive, can park just about anywhere, and still pack in everything you need for life on the road. Whether you're weekend tripping or fulling, a good Class B can take you pretty much anywhere without sacrificing the basics. In this video, I'm sharing my picks for the 10 best Class B camper vans to own. These are proven models with solid reputations, smart layouts, and the kind of features that make a big difference when you're out exploring. Let's get into the list. The Winnebago Trovado has earned its reputation as one of the most versatile and dependable Class B camper vans on the market. Built on the Ram ProMaster chassis, it's easy to drive, park, and maintain. Perfect for both first-timers and seasoned road warriors. What really sets the TVA apart is its thoughtful design. You get two floor plans, the 59G and 59K, both offering a smart use of space with dedicated sleeping areas, a functional wet bath, and a fully equipped galley. It's packed with features like a true heating system, solar panels, and an energy management system that actually works off-grid. Plus, with the optional Pure 3 lithium power system, you can run your AC and appliances without a noisy generator. It's ideal for national parks, stealth camping, or just pulling over for a nap with no hassle. The Trovado is reliable, efficient, and holds its value well. If you're looking for a true all-rounder that handles like a van but lives like a small apartment, this one should be at the top of your list. The Road Trek Zion is a solid Class B built for those who value open space and a flexible interior. Also built on the Ram ProMaster chassis, it drives more like a minivan than a motorhome, which makes it great for city streets, tight campgrounds, and spontaneous detours. What makes the Zion stand out is its clean, modern design and spacious layout. It offers an open concept feel that doesn't cram you into narrow hallways or awkward corners. There's a large rear sofa that converts into a king-size bed, tons of overhead storage, and a wet bath tucked away but easily accessible. The galley kitchen has a decent countertop, a 2-burner stove, and a 5-cubic-foot fridge. Plenty for meals on the go. Road Trek includes a solar charging system and optional lithium batteries so you can camp comfortably off-grid. Everything is built with a focus on simplicity and function. The Zion doesn't try to be flashy, and that's what makes it great. It's reliable, practical, and ready to hit the road without a lot of fuss. If luxury and build quality are at the top of your list, the Airstream Interstate 19 is a serious contender. It's the smallest of Airstream's Class B lineup. But don't let the size fool you. Built on the Mercedes-Benz Sprinter chassis, it drives with the precision and comfort of a high-end SUV and is packed with top-tier finishes inside. The interior is beautifully crafted with ultra-leather seating, high-gloss cabinetry, and high-end appliances. Even though it's under 20 ft long, the Interstate 19 includes a wet bath, a full galley, and a power sofa that converts into a bed. Airstream has also loaded this rig with safety features like active lane keeping, adaptive cruise control, and collision prevention. It's ideal for solo travelers or couples who want a premium van that's easy to park, stealthy enough for urban use, and stylish enough to impress at any campground. The price tag is steep, but you're paying for craftsmanship, reliability, and a driving experience that's second to none. It's a luxury RV that's actually built to last. The Thor sequence is a great option for anyone looking to get into a well-equipped Class B without breaking the bank. Built on the Ram ProMaster 3500 extended chassis, the sequence offers a smooth ride and decent fuel economy. What makes it appealing is its modern styling, solid feature set, and relatively affordable price point compared to other Class B rigs. The sequence comes in a few different floor plans with features like a rear or side bed setup, a wet bath, and a functional kitchen with an induction cooktop. There's also an on-demand water heater, solar panels, and a lithium battery option for better off-grid performance. Thor included a touch-screen control system that makes it easy to monitor everything from tank levels to lighting. While it may not have the same refined finishes as a luxury brand, it covers all the essentials and adds a few smart conveniences. For new RV owners or those upgrading from a travel trailer, the sequence offers a well-rounded experience with good tech, good space, and a price that won't make your wallet weep. The Coachman Galleria is a refined Class B van built on the Mercedes-Benz Sprinter 3500 extended platform. It's a favorite among travelers who want high-end features paired with reliable performance. What really makes the Galleria stand out is its attention to luxury and function. The interiors are outfitted with solid wood cabinetry, premium seating, and plenty of USB and 110V outlets throughout the cabin. It comes in several floor plans, but all include a wet bath, a galley kitchen with a convection microwave, and a spacious rear sleeping area, often featuring a power sofa that converts to a bed. The Galleria is equipped with solar panels, lithium battery options, and a quiet generator, making it very boondock-friendly. Coachman has also integrated a smart control system that lets you manage lights, climate, and battery levels from a tablet or your phone. With the Sprinter's diesel engine and the Galleria's upscale fit and finish, this van is built for long hauls and comfortable living. It's a solid pick for those who want a luxury feel without stepping up into full Class A territory. The Pleasure Way Plateau L is one of the most luxurious and thoughtfully laid out Class B vans you can find. Built on the Mercedes-Benz Sprinter 3500 chassis, this van delivers a smooth, powerful drive with diesel efficiency and a premium feel. What sets the Plateau FL apart is its front lounge layout, hence the FL, which creates a dedicated space for relaxing or working up front. Separate from the main living and sleeping area, it's perfect for those who travel and work from the road. The interior features handcrafted maple cabinetry, Quran countertops, and ultra-leather seating, all finished to a very high standard. The rear power sofa easily converts into a queen-size bed, and the wet bath and galley are both practical and beautifully designed. You'll also get a lithium battery system, solar power, and an advanced multiplex control system that keeps everything running smoothly. If you want a high-end comfortable ride with an excellent use of space, the Plateau L should be on your radar. The Storyteller Overland Mode LT is built for the adventure-minded traveler who wants to go way off the beaten path without sacrificing comfort. Based on the Ford Transit AWD chassis, it's made to handle rough terrain, snow, and muddy forest roads, places most Class B vans wouldn't dare go. What makes the Mode LT really stand out is its modular interior and rugged build. Inside, you'll find the patented groove lounge that transforms from a bench to a bed, along with a Murphy-style bed in the rear. The galley is compact but smart, with an induction cooktop fridge and stainless steel sink. There's no built-in wet bath, but Storyteller includes an outdoor shower setup and a portable toilet, keeping it simple and trail-friendly. It comes with a powerful Volta lithium system solar and a high-output inverter, so you can run just about anything off-grid. Everything inside is built to take a beating, from marine-grade flooring to aircraft-style aluminum cabinetry. If you're into mountain biking, backcountry camping, or van life with a serious edge, this is the rig for you. The Embassy Traveler is a lesser-known name, but a rising star in the Class B world thanks to its smart engineering and unique build methods. Instead of wood, Embassy uses all aluminum and composite materials inside their vans, which means no rot, mildew, or warping over time. Built on the Ford Transit or Ram ProMaster chassis, the Traveler is lightweight, durable, and super customizable. Inside, the layout is clean and modern, with convertible seating, a compact galley, and a marine-grade bathroom setup. What really makes Embassy stand out is their eco-friendly all-electric approach. No propane, no generator. Everything runs off lithium batteries and solar, making it one of the most future-ready rigs out there. They even integrate a rainwater harvesting system and a high-efficiency HVAC unit that works without draining your battery bank. It's a great option for anyone who wants a sustainable high-tech van without the weight or complexity of traditional RV systems. The Embassy Traveler isn't just smart, it's tough, lightweight, and built for the long haul. While Heimer is no longer selling new vans in the U.S., the Heimer Octave remains one of the most desirable Class B camper vans you can find on the used market. Built on the Ram ProMaster chassis, the Octave has a European-inspired design that feels fresh and functional. The interior layout is both stylish and efficient, with a clean galley, decent storage, a rear bed setup, and a compact wet bath. What made the Octave stand out back in its heyday was the inclusion of an EcoTray lithium battery system and a smart energy management system, which made off-grid living more realistic than most rigs in its class at the time. It also came standard with solar panels and a volt start system that could automatically start the engine to recharge batteries. Because the brand exited the US market, you'll need to buy used, but many models are still in excellent shape, and prices tend to be reasonable. Just be sure to check the service history and parts availability. If you can find a good one, the Heimer Octave is still a fantastic van for modern nomads. The Integra Ethos is a newer player in the Class B scene, but it's quickly making a name for itself with a solid balance of features, comfort, and price. Built on the Ram Pro Master 3500 chassis, it's nimble, easy to drive, and comes with a full suite of Integra's signature insulation and quiet ride features. What sets the Ethos apart is its clean, user-friendly interior with modern styling and functional living space. You get a wet bath, a power sofa that converts into a bed, a well-equipped galley kitchen, and smart storage throughout. It also comes standard with solar power, a lithium battery system, and a touchscreen control panel to manage your lights, tanks, and power systems. While it's not as rugged or high-end as some others on this list, it nails the basics and throws in a few comforts that make travel easy and enjoyable. It's a great choice for weekend warriors, digital nomads, or anyone looking for a reliable, well-designed camper van without going Allen on price. Integra's solid reputation for service and quality only sweetens the deal. All right, there you have it. My picks for the 10 best Class B camper vans to own. Whether you're chasing sunsets in the desert, camping deep in the woods, or just looking for a smoother way to travel, there's a van on this list that'll fit your lifestyle. From luxury rigs like the Airstream Interstate to rugged builds like the Storyteller Mode, each one offers its own flavor of freedom and function. The key is finding what works best for you, your travel style, your budget, and your comfort level. Class B vans aren't just about the specs on paper. They're about how they feel when you're living in them day after day.